Harris, capping off the Democrats' swift embrace of her 2024 candidacy. The director of the Secret Service, Kimberly Cheadle, stepping down from her job following the assassination attempt against former President Donald Trump. Henrietta Trays with Beta Partners says that is not a surprise.
I'm surprised that it lasted as long as it did. I think in the wake of the attempted assassination attempt, which was so shocking to so many Americans, we haven't seen that, in my lifetime, it is really something that required a shakeup at the top.
Henrietta Trays with Beta Partners. Global news 24 hours a day and whenever you want it with Bloomberg News Now. I'm Amy Morris. This is Bloomberg.
Wall Street prepares for the latest read on inflation.
Supercore PCE, what Powell cares about.
What will the numbers mean for next week's Fed meeting?
The Fed has made a big move pushing inflation down.
Instant reaction on Bloomberg Surveillance.
The market moves, futures explode.
Inflation in focus.
Friday morning at 5:30.
A slower inflationary environment is what we're seeing here.
Listen on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.
And always on Bloomberg 960.
Context changes everything.
In the fast-paced world of financial services, a compliance revolution is coming. Imagine turning your firm's day-to-day business communications into your greatest asset. What if you could leverage communications data not just to satisfy compliance, but to prevent threats, predict risk, and protect against vulnerabilities? With Smarsh, you can. Unleash the power of regulatory-grade AI to stop risk before it happens. Visit smarsh.com/one to learn more. Smarsh.com/ONE.
The Bloomberg Sustainable Business Summit returns to Singapore on July 31st for solutions-driven discussions on unlocking growth in times of increased ESG scrutiny. Join global business leaders to drive innovation and scale best practices in sustainable business. Summit advisors, Bangkok Bank, Fraser's Property, Red Sea Global, RGE, Schneider Electric, Star Energy Geothermal. Presenting sponsors, Standard Chartered, the Singapore Economic Development Board. Learn more at bloomberglive.com/sustainablebizsingapore.
My friends swim no matter the season, but my moderate to severe plaque psoriasis can sometimes take me out of the moment. Now, thanks to Skyrizi and clear skin, count me in. With Skyrizi, Risankizumab Riza, a prescription-only 150 milligram injection for adults who are candidates for systemic or phototherapy. 3 out of 4 people achieve 90% clear skin at 4 months.
Don't use if allergic to Skyrizi. Serious allergic reactions and an increased risk of infections or a lower ability to fight them may occur. Before treatment, your doctor should check for infection and tuberculosis. Tell your doctor if you have an infection or symptoms such as fever, sweat, chills, muscle aches, or cough, or if you plan to or recently received a vaccine.
Thanks to Skyrizi, there's nothing on my skin, and that means everything. Ask your doctor today about Skyrizi, the #1 dermatologist-prescribed biologic in psoriasis, and visit skyrizi.com or call 1-866-SKYRIZI to learn more.
Volatile markets, global elections, central bank policy. You've got questions about the business stories that affect your world. Let Bloomberg give you the answers. I'm Stephen Carroll. Join me for Here's Why, a new podcast that drills into one big story each week. We'll explain it in just a few minutes with help from one of our 2,700 journalists and analysts across the globe. Listen to Here's Why on Apple CarPlay or Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app or wherever you get your podcasts.
Bloomberg Radio, on demand and in your podcast feed.
On the latest Masters in Business podcast, my conversation with Greg Peters, Co-Chief Investment Officer at PGIM Fixed Income, where he helps to oversee $1.3 trillion in PGIM's assets.
I kind of fancied myself as more of a liberal arts type of individual. Like I had a English minor. I studied as much as I could around literature and art, and then really just did finance because I felt I needed something tangible. So it's not a great story, as you hear on the show, but it is a story.
I hear people saying, well, economics, business was my backup, and they end up being very successful in those fields. So let's talk a little bit about your experience at the U.S. Treasury Department. How'd you get there, and what'd you do while you were there?
Yeah, so I was part of, after I graduated college, I took some time off. I traveled through Europe. I bartended over the summer prior to, so I could fund my trip abroad. I came back. I realized I needed to get a job. or more importantly, my father told me I needed to get a job, and he's the one who actually cut the ad out of the paper. I'm dating myself, but that's when I put ads in the paper, and the role was for a bank examiner. So on the regulatory side, with the Office of Thrift Supervision. So if you recall, that was the agency that was created as a cleanup for the S&L crisis, and so I was fortunate to land a job there. And
hear the full conversation on the latest edition of the Masters in Business podcast. Subscribe on Apple, Spotify, and anywhere else you get your podcasts. Plus, listen anytime on the Bloomberg Business app and Bloomberg.com. It's 1:40 on Wall Street. Do check markets all day long here at Bloomberg. Just getting word that Southwest Airlines is facing heightened scrutiny by U.S. regulators over a series of flight safety incidents involving the carrier. FAA has launched an audit to review recent events. Right now we do have shares of Southwest, ticker LUV. We got Southwest down by about 1.9%. Stocks continue to trade mixed. We have got the Dow Jones Industrial Average down now by 17, a drop there of less than 0.1%. The S&P 500 index also fluctuating between gains and losses right now. Little change on the day, up barely, up half a point. NASDAQ up 12, a gain there of 0.1%. 10-year 4.22% with a 2-year at 4.48%. Spot gold trading higher by almost $8 the ounce to $24.04, up by about 0.3%. And a retreat right now for West Texas Intermediate crude down 1.6%, 77.17 a barrel. After earnings, we've got UPS plunging the most in more than 15 years. UPS down now by 13.6%. Rival FedEx also lower today, down by 2.4%. Coming up after the close of trading, lots of earnings. We'll be hearing from Tesla. Tesla down 1.6% ahead of its earnings report. Alphabet shares, Alphabet parent of Google, up now by 0.5%. Again, recapping S&P down now by 1 point. Little change there. I'm Charlie Pellet, and that is the Bloomberg Business Flash. Balance of Power continues now. And once again, your host here, she is Kaylee Lyons.
All right, Charlie Pellet, thank you so much. Welcome back to Balance of Power on Bloomberg TV and radio. We are counting down the minutes now, roughly 20 of them to go, until we hear from Vice President Kamala Harris and now presumptive Democratic nominee speaking at a campaign event in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. I say presumptive nominee because as of last night, she had locked up the majority of delegates to the DNC in Chicago next month that she needs to actually secure the nomination. All of this happened very quickly, as did her gathering of endorsements, securing 2 more at the top of this hour from Hakeem Jeffries, the Democratic leader in the House, and the Senate Majority Leader, Chuck Schumer, who were emphatic in their praise of her. And of course, money is flowing to her as well. Her campaign said in its first 36 hours, it raised more than $100 million. All of this coming together very quickly as we await her remarks. But of course, we got a little taste already of Kamala Harris at the podium when she visited campaign headquarters in Wilmington, Delaware yesterday.
Predators who abused women, fraudsters who ripped off consumers, cheaters who broke the rules for their own gain. So hear me when I say,
stupid. Why is he walking back and forth?
She also said in those remarks
so dumb.
in Delaware toward the campaign staff that they're all here because we love our country. She said she believes in foundational principles and freedom and opportunity and justice and thinks that they are going to win. The question is, what's the winning message to bring to Milwaukee today? So on that note, let's assemble our signature political panel. Rick Davis of Stoneport Capital and Jeannie Shanzano of Iona University.
Dude, come on, get the fuck over here. Damn, I don't have time for this game. We're playing games. Oh, good, his companion's not coming. Good. Hate that fucking guy anyway. Has to go around circles. Oh my gosh. So fucking stupid. Where the fuck did he go now? Man, I'm about to fucking leave him if he doesn't fucking get his act together. Stop walking in circles, fucking dumbass. Damn. Oh, great. Here comes stupid companion.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Don't you know what I said?
You want to go to McDonald's?
Might as well.
Okay. How you doing, Joe? Good. You want to go to Mickey D's? Have you been? How's mom been doing?
Okay.
That's good. I was calling your phone. I got a little worried.
The phone's almost out of energy.
I'll send her a text and let her know that you did make it, so she's not worried.
Oh, these phones are waste.
How's your back been feeling?
Okay, it's just irritable. I have IBS.
Okay. Good morning, Jill. He made it. His phone was going dead. Sorry. So you worked this past Sunday?
Yeah.
That's good. I want to work every day. And do they give you like your schedule?
Yeah, on Tuesday or Wednesday.
Okay.
Thank you, my friend, okay?
So they're going to send you your schedule today?
Here today or tomorrow.
How's your sleeping been?
Okay, I didn't sleep much last night. The snoring, okay?
Who's snoring?
Neighbors, the walls are...
We'll talk about it. You didn't tell me about that. I'm going to try to order. Have you ever seen those portable chargers?
Yeah.
Do you have one?
I don't know.
Maybe we can get you one from Amazon so you can take it out with you.
All right.
And then it'll help keep your phone charged.
Okay.
So it'll never go dead. Did Chelsea say how many more sessions you have left?
Yeah.
How many did she say?
I don't know, really. I think 2 or 3. I really have short-term memory nowadays. I really have very bad short-term memory.
just got back into the office. I had been calling your mom. I was like, Evan's going to come. Hey, don't slam the door, dumbass motherfucker. Sheesh, it's called McDonald's, not Mickey D's. Sheesh, dumbass. They don't even wait. They just fucking walk off like whatever. Like, I'm not your servant, you know. I'm not a taxi. I'm not getting paid to drive you fucking assholes around. I'm not getting paid for that.